Hi, my name is Danny Norden and welcome to my channel, Dan on Video. Now, with over 30 years experience in sales and business development, I've quickly realized that if you wanted to grow your business in a faster way, if you wanted to build up your influence, get people to trust you and buy from you, there's only one way to do it, and that's through video. From my personal experience, I thought making videos would be time-consuming and expensive. But over time, and through trial and error, a lot of errors, I found ways that actually works better and faster, and in most cases, they're very, very affordable. In fact, most of the things that I'm using right now is actually free. Now, I also get excited about selling. This is a topic that I'm really passionate about. So occasionally I'll be sharing some tactics that have worked for me. Things like smiling, greeting someone, and my favorite, and I'm pretty sure it's yours as well, closing that sale. And last but not least, I'm gonna share you glimpses of my personal life as a son, as a caregiver to my mom, as a father, and as your friend. So that's pretty much a little preview into what to expect from my channel. So please join me on this journey. Go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know exactly when my weekly videos come out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment, or you can also reach me on my social media accounts. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. I'll leave all that detail down in the description. So until the next video, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.